is such a pretty color. I love that. And then we have, oh, this one. Oh my goodness. And then the keychains, which are so cute. So this is the Hey Hottie one. And then this is the lips. Look, I'm definitely gonna put these on my keychain. They're so freaking adorable. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and then try on the crew neck. Alright, you guys, this is the crew neck. This is the cutest thing ever, and the inside is so soft. I would say this would be way better if it was oversized, but the sizes are like so perfect.